Hello, welcome to the Box Magnet. My name is Godswill, and on this channel, we explore the art of trading, uncover lucrative crypto ventures, and master the strategies to seize wealth building opportunities. Whether you're just starting or looking for advanced tips, you are in the right place. I upload regular videos packed with insight and tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out. Thanks for joining, and let's get started. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can convert your USDT or your crypto to your local currency. In this case, we'll be using the Naira as an example. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, let's dive in. Let me show you what to do. So the very first thing you need to do is to go to your assets. Okay, so go to your assets down here. All right, so once you click on it, make sure, I just want to show you this. Make sure you transfer this. Okay, click on transfer. Make sure you transfer from your unified trading account down to your funding. All right, so let's check. So this is move to funding. Okay, so you can see my funding here. See my funding. I want to send to my funding from my unified, because if you don't do this, you won't see your money to exchange. It will be telling you insufficient fund or something like that. So now I'm moving from unified to my funding. Okay, so all I need to do is click on mass, then I click on confirm. All right, so the money has moved. Then go back to your home, then click on P2P. This is it here. All right, so remember we are selling, so click on P2P. So once you click on P2P, the next thing you need to target is this place, sell. Okay, so you click on sell. Once you click on sell, the next thing I want you to do is you filter. All right, so you click on filter. This is filter here, and also make sure that what you're seeing here is your local currency. So in this case, you're using the Naira. All right, so you click on filter. Once you click on filter, you see this will come up, show only verified advertisers. You see I ticked it already. So you buy only from verified advertisers. All right, so don't the next one you need to click on is show only eligible ads. All right, so these two, make sure you click on these two, show these two. All right, so once you're done, the next thing you need to do, you click on confirm. Just leave everything the way they are, click on confirm. All right, so once you're done with that, remember we are exchanging, what we are exchanging is somewhere less than $100. All right, so just do a transaction, go to this place, make it easier for you, click on filter again under amount. All right, so under amount here, you type in from, let's say from 100,000. Okay, no, let's say from 50,000. All right, so you want to see from 50,000 upward. So this is it. So the filter has filtered it. So if you look here, you will see transactions that are within that range, as long as you made that 50,000. All right, so if you see 10 to 23 million, 9 to 23 million, just like that, you keep seeing them. All right, so everything you'll be seeing will be within that 50,000 naira range. Okay, so now what next you need to do is you need to select someone to trade with. So now look, this is very, very important. All right, before you proceed, volume matters. All right, so these are some of the things I look at. I look at the volume. So you can see this guy has done for 4,920 orders. All right, for this month. But now I won't be able to trade with this guy. Look at this. He has 93% score. So I don't need that. I need something higher. So look at this one, 78%, and he has done over 2,064. So let's look for someone else. Okay, so this will be ideal for us. So this guy has done over 2,000 and he has a 98% score. All right, so it means if you patronize this guy, this particular person would not waste your time. He would attend to you very fast. So let us go with this particular person. So the next thing you need to do is click on sell. Okay, so click on sell. Oh yes. Okay, so it said insufficient inventory. So this person doesn't have enough money at this moment. You saw that, so it doesn't have enough. So obviously, while we are trying to do this video, somebody has placed order. So let me refresh this page. Okay, so let's look for somebody else without wasting much time. Okay, so this one is 99%. Oh, good. So let's trade with this particular 99%. Sorry, I will just want to show you the actual person. So this is the person we are trading with right now. Okay, so either this or this. All right, so you can see this is 99, this is 99. So let's just choose one of them to trade with. All right, so let's go with one that have higher volume. which is 4,000, or okay, let's choose one that have higher volume, 4,000 plus. Okay, fine. So here I'm selling 85 dollars. So $85 is going to give me about 138,000. Now look, this is very important. Don't do this mistake and go ahead and press sell. Don't do that mistake. So now you know the amount is in dollar. It's in naira, 138,575. Okay, in order for you not to have issues with the banking system here, you need to make sure this money is a round figure. So you can do 138,500. Okay, so that's 138,500. So this is almost your $85, which you wanted to sell. This is 84.95. So the difference is not much. Okay, so now you have your, this is the amount you want to sell. All right, so this is the amount you will receive. So you'll be receiving this amount while you're selling this. Okay, so the next thing you do is you click on sell. All right, so just watch this. You click on sell. Okay, so once you click on sell, it will display this. So you can go ahead contact the buyer. All right, you can click on this particular place. Okay. So you can see this person is very, very fast. So if you follow those steps I gave you earlier, you will not make any mistakes. So this person, immediately I made that request, the person paid immediately. So it's asking me, kindly confirm the payments and don't forget to release accept. So I just said okay. So let's go and confirm the payment from my bank account. Okay, so I went to my bank account, I checked, I confirmed the money was there. So I couldn't display my bank account for security reasons. All right, so the next thing I need to do is I need to confirm this payment, that I actually received this payment. So now I need to confirm that I've actually received this money from this person. Okay, so what I need to do next is I need to click on this particular place where you see release now. Okay, so once I click on it, it brings up this. I confirm that I have received payment from this particular person. Then I click on release now. Okay, so it takes me to this place. Okay, so this particular place now, I will now put my fund password to release the payment. Let me quickly do that. Okay, so you can see right now, the moment I put in my password, it automatically completed the transaction. So you can see here, it shows completed. Okay, so I just want to give him a review, okay, because it was very fast. Then I will put good, then I will write fast response. All I need to do, if I want to be anonymous, I will be, but I don't want to be anonymous. Then I click on confirm. Okay, so that is it. We are done with it.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, please consider hitting the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell. Your support means the world to me and it helps me create more great content for you. Don't forget to like and share if you found this helpful. Until next time, take care.